What the hell? How many times have I told you she's not living here anymore?
Bro, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Hey, you, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Greetings from Jamaica. I do hope each and every individual watching this video is having a great day, is having a great week thus far, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you throughout this entire week and beyond. So I receive a comment right where I should check out Yo Honey Sing 1,000 Miles. Now bear this in mind, it's my very first time hearing about Yo, and this is coming from the T-Series channel. So you know, a lot of people probably have seen this video, where me as a Jamaican I haven't yet, so it's gonna be a very first experience for me encountering Yo. So without further ado, let's see what this guy's song is all about. Peace.
कैसे हो?
बहुत साल हो गए ना मिले.
I'm in UAE.
But 1,000 miles away.
Can you come?
I'm coming.
Okay.
Guys, you know, in Jamaica, we have an artist called Raspenko. I think he have sung a song with the same title. It's called 1,000 Miles Away. Right? And this brought back so much nostalgia of what is about to be expected. A man will travel 1,000 miles just to look for his girlfriend, and a girl will travel 1,000 miles just to look for her boyfriend. And you know, just because of love, just because of the connection, just because of the feelings you guys have for each other, people will travel like to a next country. Sometimes in that same country, it took 1,000 miles to travel to the next destination to meet your partner who you love. And that's just love, bro. That's just love. And I will do the same thing for my partner, bro. Based off love, based off experience, based off what we shared, based off of our connection. we'll travel 1,000 miles, probably even more, days as well. To travel 1,000 miles just to see her pretty face, just to see his handsome face, right? To make a proposal, driving in a Lamborghini, right, at the speed of 120 miles per hour. It's a guarantee that you will reach 1,000 miles before the day even end, right? Because of the speed, based off of the road is quite free traveling, then you can able to be reaching in time, right? But regardless of the time being spent traveling, reaching to the destination, love always wins at the end of the day. If you can find someone who you can settle with, propose to, show them that side that you never yet experienced in life, then it's a bonus that you'll have a long lasting, prosperous relationship, right? And I would do the same, bro. I would travel to miles and miles and miles away just to be with the one I love, just to be with the one I think that would make my life better, right? So to travel in a Lambo, to travel in a regular vehicle, to travel in a slow vehicle, to travel in a faster vehicle, it doesn't even matter, bro. What matters is that the love that and the connection that guys shares together, it's gonna be something exquisite. Yeah, it's gonna be something delicious in the sense of love, bro.
What the hell? How many times have I told you she's not living here anymore?
Bro, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. And it's always the mother-in-laws. The time we spend, the fun we had, playing in the supermarket, it could be Walmart, it could be anywhere, right? Going to the beach, having a romantic time together, there's always someone in the midst of that to fuck it all up, bro. Like to break your spirit, to give you the momentum of you feeling less of a person, Trust me, all the love, all the time spent together, seeing, knowing, understanding each other. There's always someone, and it's close to the person who I love, the mother-in-law, the fucking mother-in-law, bro. Bro, that's crazy, yo. That's crazy, but you know, if you love that person, only God can come between you and that person. No one else supposed to can differentiate the difference between you and that person. Love always wins, bro. And if you love that person, ensure that you go all out for her, all out for him. Go all out for each other, bro. It never fails, bro. Trust me.
She's gone. Stop coming here again and again and again. Get lost and don't come again.
Yo, you fought with all the dark nights. You're making songs again, doing shows, traveling the world, living the dream. This is the only symptom which is holding you back. Fix it. Once you fix it, there'll be a new day.
I promise you, Doctor. From now on, it will only be glorious days. That's my promise.
कैसे हो? बहुत साल हो गए ना? मिले?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. And it's the same thing that is happening over and over again, bro. It's in a rotated spirit. Alright? The one person who you think that will logically brings you life as though you're doing something excellent is always that person's family drains your energy. Right? Sometimes you feel as if you're doing something great and you need someone to balance it. But it's always that darn person who you love, family member, bro. It could be a friend, it could be a relative. It's always someone that breaks your spirit. Right? And sometimes it's just for the best. Sometimes God has something better in store for you, but it's just happening for you to get a little bit stronger than you are. So if you're doing something that brings you happiness, but you're gonna need love, bro. Love is always needed, bro. Sometimes all the things that you've positioned isn't giving happiness, but the love that you receive from others, the love that you receive from your partner differently brings you happiness. Money can't buy happiness. You know, material things can't buy happiness, but love brings you happiness because it opens up a different side of you, different from what the material things can offer. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, stay tuned for more series videos reaction. I'll see you guys there. Peace.